Samuni is what you buy? Egg and okay. And
Let's make candy.
so I go to the candy store na.
Yeah.
Let's go. Ay, mag-buy muna ako ng ano.
Ha?
Buy muna ako ng Papa hot dogs. Because you want it. Yogurt. Somebody get the yogurt. What yogurt you want? Sino hi?
One.
Okay, put in the baba.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yung bilang pa ha. Dahan-dahan na because the egg ha. Para let's go. I get I get butter. Butter. No, just wait. This one. This is the butter. Siyempre, kukunin natin yung pinakamura lang na butter. This one. Butter cup. Yeah. No. This one. Okay, you put this back. Ayan. Okay. Okay, you put. Where's the butter?
Ito.
Oh, put mo in the baba. Naipit tayo.
Masakit gipit ko sa'yo, Fred. Tandari mo naman.
Sige na, I got muna the Papa's favorite hot dog. Chicken hot dog. Papa get longganisa chicken. Papa can't eat the hot dog. Not halal because Papa is galit to me. No, that's not halal. Papa is galit. I find tayo dito. Pork tocino yan eh. So can find the not pork. Beef. Tapa hair siguro.
Mommy, no!
Ano ba?
No! Baby!
Why?
Look!
What are you doing?
No!
So, I can see the it's not pork. Nandito siguro yung nunggan. Na. Baka nandito siguro yung longganisa niya. Hot dog, regular cheese. Hindi yan eh. Dito sa other side. Wait mo nga lang yung candy mo. Bibili pa muna tayo. Siguro ito na. No, it's not. Ito.
Huh?
Chicken prongs.
Huh?
You get mo yung chicken prongs sa baba. In the baba.
Huh?
No, in the baba. Ito. Yan.
Huh? Huh?
Oh, yeah. It's a big ba yan? Or regular lang?
Where?
Hold mo. Parang small naman ito. Hindi siyang buwan. Hold na. You can see the video dito. Hey, where's the cellphone?
Ganda tayo na. Wow, diba? See the food that Apo, sir?
Here or here?
What the?
I find Papa hot dog, favorite hot dog.
Mommy, I want candies.
Yeah, just wait lang for a while. Because we need to buy hot dog, Papa. It's galing siya. Don't try the food niya. It's galing siya to me.
Wow.
Into you, and bongbong niya tayo. Oh, see, but you can use video. Wala na ako.
So, mommy, baby, it's Samuni. Bisa ka na, stores. Kasi puno, diba?
This is beef longganisa na lang for Papa siguro. This is 2 beef longganisa for the Papa. Ito.
Oo!
All beef, diba?
Mia, may tayo candy. Mami, may tayo candy.
So guys, here na naman kami at the Palaman Station. What kind of palaman you want? Ay, mag-remake ako ng ano, ng bar. Ano ba to? Ng bar. What is that? So, ito.
Ano ba to?
Ano yan? Hindi mo naman kakainin din yun.
What ito?
What palaman you want? This one. I like Coco Jam talaga. Coco Jam talaga is the best for me. No, I don't like that.
Mami, I want.
This is Coco Jam.
Mami, I want this one.
Coco Jam and Muscovado. Grabe ito, masarap. Ito na ako sa malaki na siguro.
Ito.
Ay, maliit na lang. Sige. So, here at kami at the candy station again and again. Sino kaya nagda-dance po? Sino kaya nagda-dance? Kawawa naman si Nuhaya. Uy, wag yan. Is that pangit yan. Close my eyes. Ito ba yung candy station sa Muni? Di ba ma-hub candy station pa in the other side? Hub candy station pa at the other side? I want to see to the other station. The candy station, ha? Mag-find pa tayo ng candy station. Asa ba po ibang candy station po? Ayun. When you come in the candy station pa. Magbabay pa pala ako ng pancake. Ay, ito! Ito, I see! Ito! Ito na. Yay! Oh, that's sour. If you don't like that, you choose one. Ew. That's it. Ew, gross. Someone eat the teeth. Ew. Dapat the lipstick na lang eh. Someone is happy because and Nohaya is happy din also. That's sour. Ito, you try one. Someone lang. You try one lang. Yeah. Then, you find pa. Dito. More pa, oh.
Ito.
Yan, naman. Sika dyan.
Corn?
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 Coin? You want coins? No, the other.
No corn.
It's not coins.
Huh?
It's not coins.
Huh?
It's not coins. This one coins, oh.
Ano ito?
I don't know what's that. Okay.
Ay, ito na.
Now, two coins? You buy 2 coins talaga? Grabe siya.
I make it.
What? You have money to pay that?
No, you.
Me? Why get the money? Ay, kawawa man ako. So, she want get chocolate na naman. And eat chocolate. Okay. So, chips area. Okay. Nuhaya is eating the sweets. This masarap. Okay na. Kukuha tayo. Oh, hindi. Ano ito? 65. Then, pinaka. What's your kabila.
Your house. And you that's your house. You doesn't say house one day, not say me. In the kabila.
She said your house daw?
In the kabila.
In the kabila?
Sure.
So where is Nohaya's house?